Hello, today we are going to see how to remove duplicate rows in a DataFrame with some condition data in a particular column using Python. All the reference libraries and the code snippets used in this video are provided in the description. First, we use kandi to find the code to perform this operation in Python. Let's go to kandi.openway.com. Right away, I see multiple code snippets with recommendation. Let's go ahead with the first one, which is used in pandas library. Now, before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If you not get it from kandi package installation, is available in the above. You can directly copy install script from here. I'm going to copy this code snippet from here. A single click. Go to my IDE and paste. We take a look of the code. First, we are importing the pandas library. Second, we are importing the data, which is load to DataFrame. In this data, we have three different columns: time, block, and cell. Now we are considering cell as a category, which is we are considering the unique one, and then we are iterating the categories as a category, and here we are concatenating the data frame with the filtered data frame, which is cell equal to category. After that, we are sorting the data frame in the index order. Now we can see the data frame clearly. From here, you can modify the input of the data. This is the result of the data frame. DF is the original input data. Here we can find the many duplicate rows. After removing, we can't find the duplicate rows.